Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade nezuko. Yes, it's a tutorial video, so let's start. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure different areas of the drawing, then mark it with pen or pencil. It's a very easy method and this will give you a rough idea about your drawing. Well, I had used this method in my previous videos also. You can check them out. The link is in description. You can use this method for your drawing as many times as you want, especially if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of a drawing much better. Use 2B pencil for shading the hairs, then use cotton bud for blending. Now use black pen for darker parts. At last, use 4B pencil for shading the hairs again, then blend it with cotton bud. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.